Hello guys, welcome back to DIY farm. The bet we una dey see so na 3 weeks to 1 month old broilers bet. So for today's video, I wan show na how I take make almost 60,000 naira. That is 58,900 when I make from this bet, just with 100 bet for the period of 4 weeks or 1 month. I wan show na how I take do am. If una never subscribe to the YouTube channel, make una try subscribe. Okay, so na 100 bet I get. Now I take make that money within the period of 4 weeks or 1 month. So now we could talk about the buying price of the bet. The bet as of the time when I buy am na 410 naira per one. So I buy 100 bet. So 410 times 100, it will give you a total of 41,000 naira. That is 2 carton of bet. 41,000 naira. Down at the buying price. So now we'll come for the feed, the expenses of feed. As we know, broilers bet, then they eat feed well. So 50 bed, 2 weeks, and then they take eat 1 bag of food. So as na 100 bed then go use 2 bag of food within that 2 weeks. So as I say na 4 weeks I train them, they eat 4 bags of feed because they're never too big like that. So now feed when I buy from my area, then 8,200. 8,200 times 4, it will give you a total of 32,000 naira. That now for the feeding aspect. So now make we go for the drugs and vaccination. The time we will buy them, then they give them Lasota vaccine. So after 2 weeks, I go buy 100 dose of Gomboro vaccine. When then they say 800. I don't buy them 800 naira. Then plus the drugs, which include the antibiotics, cough, antibiotics, anticoccidiosis, vitamin. I buy them together 1,500 plus the 800 naira for the vaccine, 2,003. So now, make we go to the mortality. The mortality when I get na 12 birds die as a result of the transportation. 12 would die and other factors, a result in death of 12 birds. So now death 12 don't minus from the 102 birds because each carton of bed they come with extra one. So 2 carton are 102. So when you minus 12 from 102, it will give you 90. So now it don't reach the 1 month. We can't sell them 115 for one. Since we say now 90 beds remain, you will times that 15 times 90. So before we go for that place, we'll calculate the expenses when we do. The 41,000 naira for the buying of the bed, plus 32,800 for the feed, plus 2,300 for both the drugs and the vaccine. If you join them together, it will come out 76,100 naira. Then be our expenses for both the buying and the vaccine and the drugs of the bed. So now the selling price now 15 times 90, it give you a total of 135,000 naira. So now 135,000 naira be the selling price. Now you will come minus the expenses when you make, when be 76,100 naira. When you do the expenses, your money will come remain 58,900. Then be waiting well, I mean 58,900. So now the simple way where I take make almost 60,000 naira within 1 month for 100 bet. I hope say una enjoy the video. Make una continue to watch, subscribe, like our video. We dey drop in interesting content like this on poultry farming and farming in general. If you get any question, don't forget to drop the question in the comment section. Thank you as you stay with me to the end of the video. See you for my next video. Bye.